Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Minecraft. Yeah, it was zombie. That's just free. But make sure to like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Start off on a little island right by some stuff. Okay, man, I'm still gonna do this. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. You know, stuff been happening, and that's a fish and stuff. Now, I did get a PS4, so soon I'm gonna figure out how to stream on there and stuff. Break scene. Here we go. Oh, probably should have told you guys. I might have added a Lucky Block mod to the server, so, and they're literally roam wherever they want, so yeah. Totally forgot about that. Hey, Lucky Blocks! How you doing? Okay, I'm gonna break you. Let me get that. Get over here. I'm looking. It's an animal. This is a pig. Wait. I'm confused. Confusion. I guess this is just a test. I actually haven't tried it yet. Yeah, it's a pig. Okay. I'm not gonna question it. Let's just break some wood. Now, I've only played on Bedrock, not on, like, here. This is new to me, so, like, it's gonna take a little bit to get so used to, but that'll be good. Be better in no time. Yeah. Okay, and that's how. Destruction. Haha. My face is weird. I'm just gonna go ahead and craft. Yeah, here you go. One quick table and some sticks. Cool. No, I placed it there. Oh. Axe. And a pickaxe. This is gonna be the safe zone from Corona. Safe island from Corona. Nothing gets us here. Nothing gets the Corona. We're safe from the Corona here. I just made something up in my mind. Okay. It's hard. I don't know why Lucky Blocks are animals, but we'll figure out how to do that later. Once we get, like, I don't know why they're blue. It's kind of a mod that said, like, stuff, and it works, apparently. Gonna have to update stuff. Comment down below what should I do next. Of course, I'm gonna try to download one mod every time I upload a video on Minecraft. It's be a series. Minecraft series of surviving. Now, I'm not the best like other people, but they also have computers and stuff. I have a phone. Long. Let's practice. one of those people that just does not, is like one of those, I lost my words. Nice. I have watching Twitch videos, I do things and stuff, so that'd be easy, right? I guess. I don't know. Alright, go this ice. Well, maybe I'll make this ice chunk right here in my home. Never mind, it's not big enough. Because I have watched some YouTubers that would say like, oh, like, this one YouTuber I like to watch. He helps me with, like, knowing how to, like, play Minecraft correctly and stuff. Named Green, I think? Green. I don't know. Go check out his channel. He's awesome. It's amazing. Neat. Okay, another ice. What kind of bind is this? Okay. I'm gonna make a shovel real quick. One shovel. There we go. Probably not a good start, so that's by the water. Let's try this one. Gonna kill you all, cause I wanted you. Since I'm new to this, I don't know what copyright music stuff is. Like, I know what copyright is. I don't know anything really. So, you guys can help me with that. Great. Oh, also, you know, I said press the like button, very wrong. Smash the like button. There we go. Turned out to one of my favorite YouTubers right there. If you want to watch them, then you'll know. Well, I guess a lot of YouTubers say that. Sand phase, seriously. I've hit stone. I've hit the Stone Age. No, not yet. Minutes. Now, for now, my YouTube like videos are short. Yes, I know. It's been pretty boring. Just watching mine. Yeah, that's pretty boring, I know. Oops. I did something. I'm so stupid. Where's my inventory? Oh. That. I guess I need to click it. And then you switch it. There we go. I got 2 swords now. Great. So much help. No anymore. Well, you know what? I'll better make myself into zombies. Let's save spot real quick. Ow. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions that I should do, then I am open. Because I'm a clueless kid. Well, clueless kid. I'm gonna end it right here though. Yeah, because man, this app's not the greatest, I think. I don't know. But I'm doing a little short for now. It'll get longer as it goes. Lock myself in. So make sure to like, subscribe. Wait, no, sorry. So smash that like button. I did that way too dramatically. Subscribe and hit that little bell so I can stuff. Okay, I do it. It's okay. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed. Pretty low. Getting like about 30 likes and up to okay. What about 20 likes? Hard bargain, huh? 20 likes, and I will upload another Minecraft video. It's probably not true, but you know. Alright. Bye. I'll have an intro too. Bye.